This 2024 Keystone Passport SL Series West 189 RBWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Keystone is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features one slide-out, a Slate interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, TV, awning, stovetop burner, slide-out, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, LP detector, oven, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Passport SL Series West 189 RBWE is 4,660 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.